coordinate geometry, an application of midpoint formula and section formula. So the sum is like that way: P0 1 upon 2, Q 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, and R 1 upon 2, 0 are respectively midpoint of sides line segment AB, line segment BC, and line segment CA in triangle ABC. So we have to find out the coordinates of triangle ABC. So let us consider that coordinate of A, x1, y1, coordinate of B, x2, y2, coordinate of C, x3, y3. P, Q, R are midpoint of line segment AB, line segment BC, and line segment AC. So according to midpoint formula for line segment AB, P is the midpoint. Therefore, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 is equal to 0. X coordinate is 0. y1 plus y2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. This 2 is in division form, goes to multiplication form. 0 into 2, that is 0. Therefore, x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. y1 plus y2 divided by 2 means this is in division form, goes to multiplication form. Therefore, y1 plus y2 is equal to 2 upon 2, so 1. Equation 1 and equation 2. Similar way, for line segment BC, Q is the midpoint. Therefore, x2 plus x3 divided by 2 whole upon 2. So at the end of simplification, x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. Equation number 3. Same way for y coordinate, y1 plus y2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. So according to application of linear equation, y1 plus y2 is equal to 2 upon 2. Therefore, y1 plus y2 is equal to 1. Equation number 4. Same way, R is the midpoint of line segment AC. Therefore, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, x1 plus x3 is equal to 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Equation number 5. Same way for y1 plus y3 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y1 plus y3 is equal to 0. Equation number 6. Now we are adding equation number 1, 3 and 5. That is 1, 3 and 1, 3 and 5. So we are getting 2x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2. This 2 is in multiplication division form, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. Similarly, 2 plus 4 plus 6, that is 2. y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to y3 is equal to 2. Therefore, y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 1 according to linear equation. Now, from equation number 7 and 1, we are doing substitution method. So instead of x1 plus x2, we substitute 0 plus 3 is equal to 1. So y3 is equal to 1. Now you have choice: either you replace the value of x3 in equation number 3 and 5, otherwise from the equation number 7 and equation number 3, again substitution method. So value of y1 plus y2 is equal to 1. So here we can replace that is y1 plus 1 is equal to 1. So x1 is equal to 0. Same way we replace the value of x1 plus x3 is equal to 1. That is equation number 5 and equation number 7. Here it is mentioned. So 1 plus y2 is equal to 1. So y2 is equal to 0. Same way we are using equation number 8 and equation number 2. So we are getting 1 plus y3 is equal to 1. So y3 is equal to this one, goes from left hand side to right hand side. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. From equation number 9 and 4, means we substitute the value of equation number 9 in equation number 4. So value of y3 is 0. So y2 plus 0 is equal to 1. So according to application of linear equation, y2 is equal to 1. Again from equation number 9. So y3 is equal to 0 and equation number 6. y3 is equal to 0. So y1 is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to y1 is equal to 0. Hence the coordinate of xa is equal to x1 y1 is equal to 0 0. Coordinate of b x2 y2 is equal to 0 1. And coordinate of c, that is x3 y3 is equal to 1 0. Now some twisted question like that in section formula: a 1 2 and b 2 3 are the given points. Find the point C belongs to line AB such that C dash A dash B, means first they are collinear point C, A and B. Take care of this thing. And 2AC is equal to 3AB. Therefore, according to application of linear equation, AC upon AB is equal to 3 upon 2 is equal to N1 upon N2. So we consider that point C we have to find out, that is x1 comma y1. m1 is equal to 3, a xy is equal to 1 2, m2 is equal to 2, b x2 y2 is equal to 2 3 according to statement. Now as per section formula, x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma y1 m2 y2 m1 whole upon m1 plus m2. Substitute the value. So here a, that is a become the point between line segment CB. So 1 2 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 2 into x1 whole upon 3 plus 2, 3 into 3 plus 2 into y1 upon 3 plus 2. So according to application of linear equation, 1 is equal to 6 plus 2x1 upon 5. Multiplication division goes to multiplication. 1 into 5 is equal to 6 plus 2y1. So 5 minus 6 is equal to 2y1. That is 1 upon 2. Again application of linear equation, that is minus 1 upon 2 is equal to x1. Again 5 2s are 10 is equal to 9 2y1. 10 minus 9 is equal to 2y1. So 1 upon 2 is equal to y1 according to application of linear equation. Hence the coordinate of C x1 y1 is equal to minus 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2.
Go.
If A minus 1 B 1 0 C x3 and D 1 y are the vertices of parallelogram ABCD, then find the value of x and y. Friends, we know that property of parallelograms, pair of opposite sides are equal and diagonals meet each other at a point. Means midpoint of the diagonals are equal. So according to midpoint formula, the midpoint of diagonal AC is equal to midpoint of diagonal BD. Therefore, minus 2 plus x divided by 2 and 1 plus 3 divided by 2. Now for BD, 1 plus 1 divided by 2 and y plus 0 divided by 2. That is, at the end of simplification, minus 2 plus x divided by 2. We compare x with x, that is 2 upon 2. We cannot cancel because of denominator is same, so later on we cancel out it. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to y upon 2. So this is in division form, goes to multiplication form, 2 to cancel out. So x minus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to, according to application of linear equation, minus 2, shift from left to right, it becomes plus. So x is equal to 4. Y is equal to this 2 to cancel out, so y is equal to 4. Hence the value of xy is equal to 4. Now area of triangle. You learn in coordinate geometry, find out the area of triangle when 3 vertices are given. Area is always positive, therefore area of triangle is under parenthesis. So now let's A x1 y1, vertex B x2 y2, C x3 y3. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 parenthesis start x1. You take either x1 out or y1 out. So x1 bracket start, y2 minus y3 bracket over plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2 parenthesis over. But some students want to take y1 outside. So area of triangle ABCD is equal to 1 half parenthesis start y1 bracket x2 minus x3 plus y2 x3 minus x1 plus y3 x2 minus x1. So here the area is positive, therefore we wrote in the parenthesis. Thank you for watching this video.